can't even
Let's
see
take
you.
a pic.
I can't see you.
Yeah, me neither.
Hi.
No. Oh. Ow.
Get out.
What the hell are you doing? Jamie, what are you doing? I'm not taking a picture. You're gonna fall off.
Ready for your picture?
Hi.
Hi.
Oh,
Hello. Rachel fell off again. Hi. Hi. Taking a pic. Taking a pic.
No. Wait, where's your phone for a sec?
Right here.
Open it. Oh.
Why?
Just open it on your face.
Hi. Fireworks. Yeah, fireworks.
Pay attention.
I am.
Danielle's holding my hand.
No, I'm not. You're holding
Hold
my
hand.
hand. Greg! Uncle Greg!
You said Greg.
I'm not taking a picture. I can't even see anything.
Yeah, but can you see it from there? That's a perfect spot. Oh, that was
Jamie, you're gonna tip the
I
hammock
want
over.
drugs.
You want what?
Drugs. Hi, I know you're videotaping me. The
I'm gonna lay down on the
fireworks.
floor again. On the ground. Whatever. Nope.
Oh, okay. Rachel.
Here tonight. Rachel's on the floor.
No, she's not on the floor.
Jump on the ground, whatever it's called.
Just tipping.
What?
Just tipping.
No, it's not. Ow, Rachel!
Let's tip over.
Where'd the fireworks go?
And you just far as I could go. Who's like, am I grabbing? Oh, like,
Okay,
ow! You would go.
Okay.
I'm gonna try.
More fireworks. Let's go.
Can I see a video?
No, you can't.
I want to see.
Okay, I see an airplane.
This is a
They're,
good one.
they're too low.
Where?
Take a picture of the tree.
Oh, I see. We're gonna get hit with fireworks.
What'd she say?
We're gonna get hit with a firework.
Can you only are?
No, the plane.
Grand finale. Nope.
There's two planes up there. They don't shoot. Torpedoes
They're
are innocent.
torpedoes. Torpedoes?
Terrorists.
Dude, are you on drugs?
No, you are.
I wish. Hi. Hey. Hi.
Okay. Stop kissing my camera now, thanks. I wish there was light on this. Can you go find a flashlight.
Go ask her.
No, hurry up, please, real quick.
Ask Amy.
Real quick.
She's the goofy one. Get her.
I can't move at all right now.
Ow, Rachel, you're on my head.
Okay, peace out, dude.
What?
Bouncing. She's bouncing this bitch.
Woo! Woo! Fuck, I can't see anything on this camera.
You're gonna hear all these voices and shit.
I know.
Hi.
I can't see you.
Ryan Desolate.
What?
Stop!
Oh my god! Stop! Jamie, stop right now. Woo!
That's a pussy one.
Okay, you know what?
Pussy one.
Oh.
Ah.
You're seriously fucking mentally challenged, kid.
Dude, that's a work tomorrow.
No, dude, you belong in the bistro.
You're a fucking.
No, you seriously belong in the
Sorry, Rachel. Didn't mean to drop an F-bomb.
Hey, Rach.
Hi!
Yo, your camera's gonna be black.
Woo! Well, I can see a little firework. Sorry, this
That's-
video view is gonna be the greatest.
That's a bum. That's a bum finale. Bum finale. Hi. Oh man, I'm drunk. I am hammered. Hammered. Rachel, did you even know why you're laughing? Your cousin's drunk.
Okay, oh my god, the hammock's gonna
no.
flip.
That's not cool.
Jamie.
6
You
times.
weigh 3 pounds.
What?
You weigh 3
Me?
pounds.
Add like 118 to that.
Oh,
Rachel.
my boob.
All the fucking trees are in the way.
Keep the camera off.
Ow. Who's down there? They're too low. I can't see shit.
Higher!
Put you out. I'm gonna get on so I can go in.
Oh, Rachel, there's trees.
Rachel, stop screaming.
Ow! Can't see anything. Is that Jamie?
Yeah.
Oh, sniper.
I think there's more going on.
There's like a war going on.
Where'd the Pink Floyd music go?